Hi everyone and welcome to Ruchikrandap. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect brown basmati rice in a pressure cooker. So let's get started. I'm going to take 2¼ cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. This is the proportion we need for brown basmati rice as the rice is slightly tough. When the water begins to boil slightly, just add the washed rice. The rice should be washed and soaked for at least 15 minutes as it will help to cook faster. Now give the mixture a quick stir and cover the lid of the pressure cooker. Place the weight and pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles. Then reduce the heat completely to a simmer and continue to cook for 25 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let the pressure cooker cool down to room temperature. Remove the weight and open the pressure cooker. Depending on the brand of rice that you're using, it can take you anywhere between 22 to 25 minutes of cooking time. The rice should be perfectly cooked. Just fluff it up with a fork. It will be slightly sticky in the beginning, but as it cools down, it will turn out more fluffy. Serve the rice with any accompaniment of your choice like yogurt or even a curry. I have not added any salt at the time of cooking the rice because I intend to use this rice in another recipe. I simply love the nutty texture and flavor of this brown rice, and I hope you will too. Thank you for watching this video and do stay tuned for more recipes. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified about every new upload. Thank you so much for watching.